What's up, YouTube? This is M1 here today, and today we're here with another pack opening, not just sports pack openings on video games this time. This time, a Yu-Gi-Oh pack opening. I know you guys like this on my channel. Haven't done one in a while. This time, the new set, Yu-Gi-Oh! Duel Power. Now, this has some pretty awesome cards, like Impermanence, Ghost Spell. I'm looking for those cards. Those would be nice to pull. So, hopefully we get some good stuff out of it. I bought two of them, an extra one just for you guys. Just for the content, and let's get right to it. Open the top one first. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long to open there we go, that wasn't too bad. Comes with 5 free cards. It's not free because it's money, but I thought I got it. There we go. Sorry about my camera being... I need to get a new camera, guys. If you guys suggest a camera, in the comment section, let me know. I apologize for the quality, but hopefully this is... Man, this... Why is this so blurry? These are the extra cards. Dark Magician. Dark Magician, Amoto Neos, Stardust Dragon, Utopia, Hot Ice Pendulum, and Indigo Talker. New arts, too. Let's get right to the pack opening. Seems like we got 6 packs. And you get a mat too. If I can get it out. It's a cool little mat here. Focus there. Alright, here are the packs. Necroz Mirror, Utopic Onomatopoeia, Draw of Fate, Necroz Kaleidoscope, Necroz Colossus. First pack, not too great. Winged Dragon Raw Spear Mode, Shining Draw, Cyber Netchester, Toon Dark Magician Girl, and Performer Palace Smile Sorcerer. Double or Nothing, Quintet Magician, Ghost Reaper Winter Cherries, Mark of the Rose, El Shaddai Construct. Okay. Prevent. Double Hero Attack. Hey! Ghost Spell! Nice! That's a good card. Good pull. Stardust Wish. Chaos Form. Nice. Lefty Driver. Soul Pendulum. Beat Caught from the Underworld. Seize Tactics, Eternal Soul. Dark Magician Circle. Dark Magic Twin Butts. Hey, Trishula! That's pretty good too. Necroz Trishula, Hero Vision, Guki Cage Match. Alright, so Necroz Trishula and a Ghost Spell. I don't know if we made our money back. I'll take those out for the 2 best cards. Alright, second box, guys. Hopefully we pull an permanence. You already know about this. I'm not even going to open it. Here we go. Hot Red Dragon, Archfiend, King of Calamity, Yuki Jet Ogre, number 39 Utopia Double, Chaos Form, Hot Red Dragon, Archfiend, Bane. Bane from Batman. High Priestess of Prophecy. It's a silver gadget. Draw of Fate. Fright for Patchwork. Nine-tailed Fox. Ooh, Link Rebo. Silver gadget again. Thunder Dragon, Thunderstorm Monarch, Galaxy Eyes, Photon Dragon, Signal Warrior. Shirt of Necros, Bed of Hand, Orpheus Scorpio, Utopia Double, Fight for Patchwork, and Nine-tailed Fox. They take out Naruto. Divine Serpent, Elemental Hero, Grand Mole. Ooh, Ash Blossom, W, nice. Is this a trap? Oh, thought it was impermanence. Nice, man. Ash Blossom, I'll take that. Come on, be an impermanence. Hot Red Dragon. Oh, it's a trap. Tactical Exchange. Utopia Double. We pulled 3 power cards though. Ash and Trishula and Ghost Spell. Not bad indeed, not bad indeed. I'd say solid pack opening. These are the pulls if you guys want to see. So I'd recommend Dual Power for if you're trying to build a deck in the main meta. If you're just getting back into it, you need access to cards. These cards are decently cheap priced. And it's fun to pull. And this it's only, I mean, $30 is not cheap, but you can get cards like these that you need for your deck. Staples, hand traps. But yeah. Definitely a good way to build your deck. Probably secrets cheaper to go with singles than the packs, obviously. That cherry's not that bad. So I hope you guys enjoyed that pack opening. A little nice bit of content on a Sunday afternoon. Hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube channel. Like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want more content. Like, comment your thoughts on the polls. Our best poll is this, I believe, the Ghost Spell. And not bad, I'd say so myself. 4 power cards. So yeah, pretty good. Solid pack opening. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching, and then peace out, YouTube.